Do you know you can buy your first house in Italy with 100% bank loan? Yes, this is very possible. It's very possible to live in Italy and buy your first house, a house you will live in with 100% bank loan, meaning that the bank will give you the money and you will buy the house. Then all you need is to save up is for the documentation of the house. And yes, the documentation, which is called spese accessory. Okay, that is all you need to have savings for. But if the house costs 100,000 euros, you can get the 100,000 euros from the bank to make the purchase. So I welcome you back to my channel, to this channel. If you have not subscribed, don't waste time. Subscribe to this channel because I provide educative and informative videos. Let's dive in. I'm going to show you how to buy your first house in Italy using a 100% mortgage and how the government can be a guarantee to you. The government-backed CONSAP can help you achieve it. The government in Italy has a body called CONSAP that serves as a guarantee to anyone who legally lives in Italy that intends to buy a house for residence. So, CONSAP is a government-owned company in Italy that manages public guarantee funds. One of the key programs is the Fondo di Garanzia Prima Casa, which helps first-time buyers by guaranteeing part or even all of the mortgage for banks. This guarantee reduces the risk for banks, making them more willing to give you a 100% loan. Who can apply? What are the requirements to benefit from this CONSAP? 1. You must be buying your first home in Italy. 2. The property should be your primary home of residence, meaning it must be the house where you will live in. 3. The property must not be a luxury house. It must not be in the luxury category. Later in this channel, I will teach you the category of houses one can buy in Italy. So subscribe. The next requirement is the maximum cost of that property must not be more than 250,000 euros. But there are also priority groups that can get extra benefits. Such groups include young couples under the age of 36. Another group, single parents with minor children. Another group, families with 3 or more children. And people living in public houses. So for these people, they can access this government CONSAP guarantee. The government may guarantee up to 80 to 90% of your mortgage, sometimes even 100%, depending on your situation. Age is a big factor. If you are under 36, either single or part of a young couple, you could get easier access to the full 100% mortgage. This is an amazing opportunity for young migrants starting life in Italy. Now, maybe you are more than 36 years old, and your wife is less than 36 years old, and both of you are legally living in Italy. So in order for you to access this CONSAP guarantee, both of you will have to team up to get the loan. So with your wife's age that is less than 36, you can get this 100% guarantee even when you are above 36. There are other guarantees other than CONSAP. Sometimes banks ask for extra guarantees if you don't qualify for CONSAP, such as mortgage insurance policies, personal guarantors, additional collateral. But here is the good news. If you qualify for CONSAP, you don't need these extra guarantees. This makes the process much simpler for first-time home buyers. How to apply? To apply, 1. Prepare your documents, your permesso di soggiorno, your ID card, your exec certificates, your proof of income. Like I've told you in my previous video, if you have not watched that video where I talked about the requirements for getting a loan from the bank, I will link that video in the description section. Go and watch it so that you know what the other requirements you need to have before you think about buying a house and applying for this CONSAP. Go and watch it. If you are enjoying this video so far, what are you still waiting for? Give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to this channel to be informed is power. Now, another thing, the second thing you need to apply is to talk to a bank that partners with CONSAP. Most major banks in Italy are partners. They partner with CONSAP, meaning they offer 100% loan. Then submit your mortgage application along with the CONSAP guarantee request. So if you cannot do it personally, you can use a mediator. In this channel, I will make a video dedicated on mediators, people that help to get loan from the bank. If approved, you could own your home with little or no initial deposits. All you need is to have a little savings to run the documentation of the house and other things. But the full cost of that house is paid by the bank. Then all you need to do is to pay back instrumentally. It could be the year duration of this loan can range from 10 to 30 years, depending on your choice. If this video was useful to you, please give it a like. Subscribe to this channel for more tips about living and working and buying a property in Italy. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in my next video. Arrivederci.